Welcome to our Blogger tutorial series. Today, we're diving into Blogger, a popular and free platform for creating blogs. If you've ever wanted to start a blog to share your thoughts, passions, or expertise, Blogger might be the right tool for you. So, what exactly is Blogger? Well, Blogger is a free blog publishing service offered by Google. It allows anyone, from beginners to more experienced users, to create a blog, design it, and publish posts without needing to learn coding or complex web development skills. The platform is intuitive, straightforward, and fully integrated with other Google services like Google Drive and Google Analytics. One of the best parts about Blogger is that it's incredibly easy to set up. You can get your blog up and running in just a few minutes, even if you've never used a blog before. Plus, it's hosted by Google, meaning you don't have to worry about purchasing web hosting or managing server issues. But who is Blogger for? Essentially, Blogger is perfect for anyone who wants a simple, no-fuss blogging platform. It's especially great for beginners, people who are new to blogging and want a platform that's easy to learn without technical complications. Hobbyists. If you want to share a personal project, a travel journal, or even daily thoughts, Blogger is a great choice. You don't need to invest money in hosting, and you can focus on just sharing your content. Freelancers and professionals. Blogger can be a good starting point for freelancers or professionals wanting to create a personal blog to showcase their work or share industry insights. Small businesses and entrepreneurs. For those who want an online presence without the expense of a full website, Blogger can work as an effective tool to share updates, connect with customers, or discuss your products. Blogger is user-friendly, customizable, and supports a range of needs, from casual blogging to more professional use. It might not offer all the bells and whistles of more advanced platforms, but for those looking to get their thoughts out there with minimal setup, Blogger is a great fit. I'm going to show you how to create a Google account from start to finish. Whether you need it for Blogger, Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, or other Google services, this simple guide will help you get started in no time. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Sign Up page. You can do this by visiting accounts.google.com/signup or by clicking the Create Account option on the Google homepage. Now, fill in the required details. Start with your first name and last name. After entering your first and last names, you must also provide your date of birth and gender. These details are important for personalizing your Google experience and ensuring your account meets age requirements. Select your date of birth from the drop-down menus and choose your gender from the available options. Then, create a unique username. This will become your email address. If your chosen username isn't available, Google will suggest alternatives. And remember, choose a username that's easy to remember and professional, especially if you'll use this account for work or business. Next, create a strong password. It should be at least 8 characters long, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Re-enter the password to confirm, and make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. You can enter a phone number and an alternate email address. This step is optional, but it's highly recommended. It helps you recover your account if you forget your password. Scroll down and review Google's terms and privacy policy. Once you're ready, click I agree. If you entered a phone number earlier, Google might send a verification code. Enter the code to complete the setup. Congratulations! Your Google account is now created. And that's it! Your Google account is ready to use. With this account, you can now access Blogger, Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, and so much more. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video with how to set up your Blogger account.